In this video, we'll walk you through how to download your design to your computer and explore other options for sharing your design with the world. We'll begin by covering how to save your file within the Canva platform. One of the best features of Canva is its ability to automatically save your work in real time. If you look at the top blue bar, you'll notice a cloud icon with a check mark. Hover over this icon, and a message saying "All changes saved" will appear. While there is a Save button in the File drop-down menu, also displaying the cloud icon and All Changes Saved text, you really don't actually need to click it, as your file is already saved automatically. When you're ready to download your file to your computer, go to the top right corner of the screen and click Share to open the drop-down menu. At the top, you'll see People with Access, where you can add or edit who has access to your file. Below that, you'll find the Collaboration Links section with two options. One that's locked, allowing only you to use the link, and another that's unlocked, granting access to anyone with the link. Click Copy Link to share it. Next, you'll notice 7 buttons followed by a See All option. Clicking See All expands the menu to include Share, Save, Social, Messaging, Design, and more. Take some time to explore these options. They provide convenient ways to save your file, share it directly to social media or messaging platforms, or even send it for printing. When you're ready to download your file to your computer, go to the top right corner of the screen and click Share and then Download. The default file type is set to PDF Standard, but if you need a different format, click the drop-down menu to explore other options. Canva offers 8 file types, each with customizable settings. For example, PDF Print includes color profile options, while others let you adjust quality and size, limit file sizes, compress files, or enable transparent backgrounds. Downloading a Canva design to your computer is quick and straightforward. Thanks for watching.